Hi, I'm Khaled, and I'm here to talk to you about the Visual Earpick. This product is a revolutionary new way to clean your ears safely and effectively. We all know that earwax is a natural substance that helps to protect our ears. However, too much earwax can build up and cause problems, such as hearing loss, tinnitus, and pain. The Visual Earpick is a small, handheld device that uses a camera to provide a real-time view of your ear canal. This allows you to safely and effectively remove earwax without damaging your eardrum. The Visual Earpick offers a number of benefits over traditional earwax removal methods, including right pointing finger, safety. The camera allows you to see exactly what you're doing, so you can avoid damaging your eardrum. Right pointing finger, effectiveness. The Visual Earpick is very effective at removing earwax. Right pointing finger, convenience. The Visual Earpick is small and portable, so you can use it anywhere. To use the Visual Earpick, simply insert the tip of the device into your ear canal and turn it on. The camera will display a live image of your ear canal on your smartphone or tablet. You can then use the included earpick to safely and effectively remove any earwax that you see. The Visual Earpick is a safe, effective, and convenient way to clean your ears. If you're looking for a better way to remove earwax, then the Visual Earpick is the perfect solution for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to learn more about the Visual Earpick. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.